folks, I have a little Scout to show you today, and it's one I went pretty fancy on. It is number 989. This is a little soprano scale instrument, and it's just made from the scraps in the shop. This time, though, I picked out some really nice pieces. This is some beautiful koa that I got from a friend of ours who used to be a wood dealer and moved away. So the top, back, and sides all match there. Really crazy asymmetrical stuff that wouldn't be suitable for a figure-8 shaped uke, but just looks perfect on this shape. It's got a salvaged mahogany neck. It's got walnut up here for fretboard, headplate, and bridge. It's got wooden strap buttons here, peg head geared tuners, bone nut and saddle, fluorocarbon strings, and then we did the homemade rope binding for everything, even the bridge. This is inspired by a bridge I saw in Sean's collection, made by Santo, where he even bound the bridge. We've got the rope here. And then, why not? We'll just put a little stripe right there while we're at it. So it's really light, it's really responsive. I'm really enjoying the sweet little tone this instrument has. It's going to be for sale to our Scout list. It'll go out today to those folks, and we'll see who picks it up. Yeah, it's really fun. I'm really happy to get to do these little things, and I hope this one finds a good home. Cheers.